So, just went to the store real quick to pick up some stuff for the house. And I want to talk quickly about 3 realizations I had about education and teaching in general. The first, and this all comes from remote learning and being away from the building and away from the students. And the first realization is that, teaching is an essential job. That's why we're still open. That's why we're still doing things. Society doesn't really see us that way, and I don't think they really did before this. You got a lot of parents out there now trying to homeschool their kids. They see how tough it is. They see, the amount of work that teachers put in just by, dealing with them and things like that. And the fact that, we're still working and society still needs us, that's something nice. That's something to think about. And, I early on, before I was a teacher, I definitely didn't think teaching was an essential job. Now I do. The second realization is how much more important a school is than just learning. It's way more than just learning, because you got to think about it this way. School is where children come to not only just learn, but here's where they meet friends, they socialize, they join sports, they play sports, they go to gym, they get exercise, they learn how to make new friends, even lunch, okay? So many children need lunch and breakfast, and this is where they get at the school. School is so much more than just learning. Learning is important, and learning's still going on in remote teaching. That's good and all that, but I mean, the rest of these gaps have to be filled in, and they're filled in only by, going to the school. And now I really see that how much, school is like a world unto itself, for students and teachers, and it does everything for kids that we don't really see. And the third realization, probably, one of the most important ones here is that, a classroom is like a family. I've had more students reach out to me and say, hey, Mr. Vella, how's everything going? How's your family? Than my friends and my relatives. Okay? Not to say that they're not, I don't love my friends and my relatives, but I'm just being honest here. And that means a lot to me. Okay? It's I do appreciate that. And, of course, I've reached out to them too and things like that. But, and it's not just the students too. Like I say, the classroom's a family, but it's a little bit bigger than that. The school's a family. The teachers have reached out to me, checking in on me. How's it going? The teachers that I like, the teachers that I don't like, I don't care. But, the teachers have reached out to me, administrators that I know for a long time, checking in on me, saying, hey, how's it going, Frank? That means a lot to me. Again, the administrators that I like. I think I've never been more proud, about teaching in the career than probably today. And it's a shame because it's just like a sad time. You know what I mean? And I hate being in the house. I hate being in the house, and I'm stuck here. So I went out and got something to eat and everything. And I'm just thinking, about this remote teaching. And it's like I said, it's a shame that it takes something like this to realize how important education is. I know I have this channel. I have like hundreds of videos about education, but it's today and teaching today really lets me know that this whole channel and all the videos I do, and that education is important and that it matters. So I just wanted to put that out there.